I'm going to choose this one to start with because this y does not have a coefficient other than 1. The coefficient here is 1. So this is going to be my second column, and then I'm going to go back to this one for my final column. I need to solve this for y because y doesn't have a coefficient other than 1. That's going to be the easiest one to solve for. I'm going to cancel this out, bring down the y. This is equal to y. It says so right there. Since it's equal to y, it can substitute in place of y. So in place of y, I'm going to put a minus 3x, a minus 12. Bring down the minus 6x, and this 6, and equal to 0. I am going to need to distribute this 6 right here. 6 times 3 is 18. Negative times negative makes a positive. Negative times negative makes a positive. That's a 2. Okay, I need to get my x's by themselves. So I'm going to subtract 72 from both sides to cancel that out. These x's are on the same side of the equation, so I combine a negative 6 and a positive 18. And then I need to solve for x, so I need to divide both sides by 12. So I need to divide 72 divided by 12, and that has a negative sign, so this is going to be a negative 6. X is equal to negative 6. In place of the x, I'm going to put a negative 6. Plus y equals negative 12. 3 times 6, that would be a negative 18. I am solving for y. I need to get y by itself. I need to get the 18 canceled. So my solution point is negative 6, a positive 6. And we have a word problem. So we have a word problem, so the first thing we need to do is write our system. And the perimeter of the rectangle is 36, and it tells you the perimeter formula right there. The perimeter is 36, so 36 equals 2L plus 2W is my first equation. The length, L for the length, is, where you have is in the English sentence, that's where you put your equal sign, 2 less than 3 times the number. Now, less means subtract. And subtract is a little bit tricky because the order of subtraction matters. The 2 less is subtracted away from 3 times the width. The 2 less is subtracted away from 3 times the width. And so now I'm going to divide my paper up into my 3 columns. I'm going to choose this one to start with because it's already solved for L. And in place of this L, I'm going to substitute this because it is equal to Still going to have the 36. I'm still going to have this 2 plus 2w. And then I need to distribute. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 2 is 4. I am solving for w, so I need to get the 4 out of the way. So that's going to be 40 equals 6w plus 2w, because I canceled that out, and 6 plus 2 is 8. I'm going to divide by 8, and so I'm going to write it right here because I'm running out of room. The width is going to be equal to 5. In this last column, you always come back to the one you started with, and I just figured out that the width is equal to 5. So the length is going to be 15 minus 2. The length is going to be 13. And since this is meters, this will be meters, and my width will be meters.